Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on how to crypto. In this video, I will show you how to download Trust Wallet on Android. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to stick till the end. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to head over to the Play Store on your device and there search for Trust Wallet. Now tap on install button. Now there your app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now you can tap on open button to open your Trust Wallet app. Now there you can see you have successfully downloaded Trust Wallet on your Android device. Now you can tap on I already have a wallet and get logged into your account. And if you don't have your account yet, you can tap on this create a new wallet button and then create a new account for you. Now that's all it takes to download Trust Wallet on Android. I hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.